In the digital domain, an online tutor emerges as a guide and mentor, connecting virtually with eager learners. If you have a knack for explaining and teaching, you can cash in with our top picks at the end of this video. And remember to like and subscribe, as we appreciate your support. Online tutors utilize screens and keyboards, transcending distances to provide their vast knowledge. At scheduled times, the online tutor engages with students through video calls or chat platforms. They explain concepts, answer questions, and offer clarity on perplexing subjects. Patience is their virtue as they navigate technical hiccups and ensure seamless communication. Whether it's math equations, historical events, scientific theories, or language nuances, the online tutor breaks down complexities into understandable fragments. They adapt their teaching style to suit different learning preferences, ensuring comprehension for all. With a virtual whiteboard or shared documents, they illustrate and annotate, making lessons visually engaging. They might deploy interactive quizzes and exercises, turning learning into an engaging game. Beyond academic aid, the online tutor provides motivation and boosts confidence, fostering a positive learning environment. They celebrate victories, no matter how small, and encourage perseverance in the face of challenges. The online tutor isn't confined by geographical boundaries. They might teach algebra to a student in Tokyo, discuss literature with someone in Paris, or unravel the mysteries of physics for a curious mind in New York. As the digital clock ticks, the session concludes, but the impact lingers. The online tutor leaves their virtual space, knowing they've ignited understanding and sparked curiosity. They are a digital shepherd, guiding students through the peaks and valleys of learning. And in this evolving realm of education, their role continues to grow. Becoming an online tutor can be a rewarding way to earn income, while sharing your expertise and helping others learn. Identify your subject strengths and choose a suitable platform to create a profile showcasing your qualifications and teaching style. Set competitive rates, develop engaging lessons and materials, and promote yourself through social media or personal websites. Offer trial sessions to build trust and gather positive reviews. Utilize technology like video conferencing tools and virtual whiteboards for interactive sessions. Highlight your availability for different time zones to attract a diverse range of students. Stay updated with teaching trends and methods to maintain an effective approach. Be patient and consistent as you build your client base, focusing on delivering quality sessions and fostering a positive reputation. Here's a detailed description of 5 online tutor platforms that can serve as a side hustle. Chegg Tutors is a comprehensive platform that connects students with tutors across a wide array of subjects and academic levels. As a tutor, you can create a profile detailing your expertise, availability, and teaching style. Students can browse through profiles and select a tutor who suits their learning needs. Sessions are conducted through a virtual whiteboard and chat, allowing for interactive lessons and real-time communication. Tutors can set their own rates and schedule, offering flexibility in managing their side hustle. Tutor.com offers a diverse range of tutoring services for students of all ages. Whether it's math, science, language arts, or test preparation, tutors can assist students in various subjects through live sessions. Tutors and students interact in a secure online classroom equipped with a chat box and interactive tools. They can work on a flexible schedule and help students understand concepts, complete assignments, and prepare for exams. Wisant provides a platform for tutors to showcase their skills and expertise while connecting with students seeking personalized instruction. Tutors can create detailed profiles, set their own rates, and offer lessons both online and in person. Students can search for tutors based on subject, location, and availability. The platform offers a secure online learning environment with features such as video chat, document sharing, and a virtual whiteboard. VIP Kids specializes in English language tutoring for students in China. As a tutor, you follow a provided curriculum and teach English to young learners through one-on-one online sessions. The platform offers a user-friendly interface, interactive teaching tools, and a flexible schedule. Tutors can earn money by conducting engaging and educational lessons, helping students improve their English language skills. Schooly is designed to connect tutors with students ranging from K-12 to college level. Tutors can offer assistance in subjects like math, science, language arts, and more. The platform facilitates real-time online tutoring sessions with interactive tools, including a shared whiteboard and video chat. Tutors set their availability and rates, providing a convenient way to earn money while helping students achieve academic success. These online tutor platforms offer a variety of options for individuals seeking a side hustle in education. Each platform provides its own features, tools, and opportunities for tutors to engage with students and make a positive impact on their learning journey. With dedication and a passion for teaching, you can establish yourself as a successful online tutor, making money while making a meaningful impact on learners' lives. Please like and subscribe so we can continue to offer informative content on how to make extra money.